Menteri Rangba Kajelau Conrad Kisangma hak arpusan tari uleber arja arpun riu ulang baya kerai hak baya day bagajing peniat ya election Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC an sashim hadian gajian selok bat kinoy alam ka council. Ya kanik election labu Pynlong hak sepo trip yoyong arja arpun riu henrei lapan kenria no hadian gajian ki kebalajur halor ka mat yashim benta jong ki bomday ki riu lum. Ke GHADC dangshan kalau menjori ke jingpen kelaban patha babarok ki kertong ki diban pen iye ke sernot schedule tribe. Syuk-syuk ke Sorkar kalau penjalan ru ya ke samoy trai kam jong ke GHADC ke bementa dah henru benai. Kata hadu ubenai risau arja arpun riu henrei la ru ban Pynlong ya ke election syua kata. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor Menteri Rangba ula pensyai bakarai ka bakhaddu halor kani ka election kamsyong setia ha ke Sorkar jela. Ula penpau ba watla ke Sorkar kalak ban ai Jingmut henrei ka bor ban syem ya ka rai ka syong ha ke district council hi namar ka don ya ka bor sensyar haladi.
It's not the state government. Please, I want to be very clear about things. Yes, as Chief Minister, we are there to always guide and always, give whatever thoughts from our side, but ultimately the district council has to take a call. So it's the district council is the autonomous body, so hence we will see and we will wait for the different decisions being made by the council, but we are in close touch with the leaders of the district council, the new CEM and the new EC, and based on discussion we will see how to move forward.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Kan nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.